How's it going, everyone? Welcome to my video. My name is William Thomas. I am a real estate agent out of Silver Spring, Maryland, representing HomeSmart Realty, and today's video is all about first-time home buyers. Mainly in this video, what I wanted to cover was just the early stages going into buying a home. So a lot of people had the idea that, I'm going to look online, I'm going to do the calculation checks that these portals have and just kind of already have an idea, but there's a lot more to it that you should really grasp and expect to really fully be ready. With that being said, let's get into the first topic. And the first topic I want to cover is getting your pre-approval. Getting your pre-approval is very key, very important. And quite frankly, without a pre-approval, it's really tough to even get started. So a pre-approval is pretty much a letter that you're going to get from your lender, just allowing you to know what you have pre-qualified for. Now, why getting a pre-approval is important is just so that you kind of know for your own sake that this is really the point that where you're getting started, and you know what kind of funds that you're looking at, and just play around with what monthly payments you're comfortable with, what you're comfortable with paying with for potentially 15, 30 years down the line. Now, the purpose of a pre-approval overall is just to give you an identity as far as to what your buying power is going to be. Say you put an offer on a home that's $300,000 and your pre-approval has a max limit of $330,000. One of two things: you have wiggle room to play with, and two, most likely your lender is going to cover what the property is worth or what you're going to ask for. And at the same time, you'll know what your interest rate is, and also you'll know what kind of loan that you qualified for. Now, as a real estate agent, they're going to ask if you can get that letter and give a copy to your agent too. Just come time when you're ready to submit an offer on a home that you like, probably 10 times out of 10, the other agent is going to ask to see that copy just so that they know that you have the funds to purchase the home. And you may ask, why does the other side need to see what your pre-approval is? And the purpose is being that since they're selling the home, they want to make sure that who's on the buyer's side is qualified and won't have any potential hiccups throughout, just knowing that they have their letter and just knowing that they qualify for that amount that they offered. Now, you may ask, how do I get my pre-approval, or how do I get a pre-approval? And it's fairly easy. It's really not much to it. What you would want to do is either check with the lending side to whom you do your personal financing with. Say, for example, you bank with SunTrust, Bank of America, BB&T, etc. Reach out to as many people as you can. Reach out to see what benefits and what programs are available. And I'll give you some suggestions too as far as that goes. But just so you have an idea, there's so many lenders out there. In addition, when seeking lenders, a key question that you want to check with them and ask is, what closing cost grants might you have available? What down payment assistance programs do you have available? What programs do they have available that are popular? How long will the pre-approval process take? What information do I need to provide in order to receive my pre-approval? So let's just say, unfortunately, you reached out to a lender and they said, okay, well, right now you might not be able to give you a pre-approval. But what I've seen is that a lot of lenders do is that they keep a file on you. And, a lot of times, it might be a situation where they aren't charging you anything for it. They're just checking in, just giving you some tips or pointers. And overall, it's mainly towards your benefit, because, they want the best for you. They want you to get a house pretty much. So, why not put you on the tracker? So some people provide that, and quite frankly, that might even be something that you want to ask before getting a pre-approval is, hey, is there a way that you can put, my records on the file and let me know what kind of standpoint, where I'm at to buying a home? That's the goal that I want to accomplish, and I'd like to work with you to get there. So with that being said, that's pretty much the main topics I wanted to focus on in today's video. Feel free to message me or anything, reach out to me, connect with me if you have any questions. I'm more than glad to help you and more than glad to assist you on any matter. Let me know. I'll be posting more videos, and if you like this one, give me a thumbs up. Thank you.